Good morning, student. Welcome to our today's class. I hope you all are fine at home. Let's start our today's topic, that is the wireless technologies in the network. In our previous video, we have seen that what is the network. Now we are going to see what technologies we used in making of network. We have the idea about the network. What is the network? The computer network is the set of computers. We are going to start our new topic, that is the wireless technologies in networking. Okay, here when we talk about the network, then there is a two method to make a network. There are two technologies. One is the wired technology and another is the wireless technology. In the wired technology, we use the different type of cables to make a network of our computers. And when we talk about the wireless technology, then we do not use the cables, but instead of that, we use the signals, that is the infrared signals and the radio signals. With the help of these signals, our computer get connected and they able to make a communication in between them. They having an ethernet adapters. Okay, and on the wired network, edge device called the wireless access point is attached. So this is what all about the wireless technology. Now we have the different types of wireless technologies. So here is the Bluetooth wireless technology. This is what the first wireless technology we are going to study in this topic. So first of all, student, tell me, do you understand that what is the computer network? Yes, computer network means what? It is the set of computers which are connected together. Okay, student, now here I draw some diagram. So here it is the wired computer network. Why I call it as a wired computer network? Because if you observe here, I connect the computers with the help of certain cables, isn't it? These are the cables. So with the help of cables, I make the connections. So that's why this is the wired computer network technology. And here these computers also making a network. Okay, these are also connected together, but they are not physically connected. Do you see any physical connection in between that? No, here is no physical connection, but instead of that, they are emitting some radiations. Okay, they are emitting some signals, and these signals are interconnected with each other. So this technology or this diagram showing the wireless network. Got it, student? So student, now we are focusing on the wireless technology. We are not discussing here the wired technology, but the wireless technology. When we talk about the wireless technology, there are three technologies through which we can make a wireless communication, or we can make a wireless network. Okay, what are that? The number one is Bluetooth. Number two is infrared wireless technology, and number three is Wi-Fi wireless technology. So we are going to see all of this step by step. So first of all, we will focus on our first wireless technology, that is the Bluetooth wireless technology. Okay, so when we talk about the Bluetooth wireless technology, first of all, we have to understand that what is the Bluetooth technology. See, this Bluetooth word is not new for us, because many times we use this word and use this technology also while sharing our data. Okay, you just try to remember that what you do when you want to share a song with your friend through a mobile. At that time, do you make a connection with your mobile to the other mobile? No, you are not making any physical connection, but just on the Bluetooth button, and your friend also on that Bluetooth button, and through this connection you just making some pairing. Okay, and after pairing you can able to share the data. So here you don't make any physical connection. Do you wired it? आपने क्या वायर वहाँ पे लगाया है? No. So ये जो technology है, that is called as a Bluetooth technology. Now let's see. Bluetooth technology is built in the electronic device. Means most of the electronic device are having this technology. For example, television, your washing machine, your mobile phone, your computer, your laptop, many electronic gadgets having this Bluetooth technology. Then this technology allows us to share the information wirelessly. Just now we have discussed one example, and we have seen that how we are sharing our song with our friend without making a physical contact. Okay, a device with Bluetooth technology has a computer chip that has Bluetooth radio and software to connect with the another product using the Bluetooth technology. What does it mean? It means that whatever device we have, in that device there is a one small chip which having one software, and that software um, having that software having the capacity to accept and release the radio signals, and the same things present in the another's device also, and because of that they make a connection, they make a and start the communication, and through which we can share the data. So do you understand how the Bluetooth technology work? Okay, students, so now let's see some information about the Bluetooth technology. The Bluetooth technology is invented in the year 1994 by the engineers of a company, Ericsson. This company, Ericsson company, was the Swedish company, and this technology is invented by the engineers of this company. Like the television and the FM radio use the radio waves, similarly, the Bluetooth technology also use the radio waves. The television and the radio use the broadcast information to the vast distance. It means information means what? एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे मतलब मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, मतलब बहुत सारे यूज़र्स को कवर करता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द ब्रॉडकास्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन. और उसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो भी बहुत वास्ट डिस्टेंस होता है, मतलब बहुत दूर तक हम रेडियो और टेलीविज़न का जो ब्रॉडकास्ट है कर सकते हैं. बट इन द ब्लूटूथ टेक्नोलॉजी वी यूज़ द पर्सनल स्पेस, दैट इज़ द 8 मीटर टू 10 मीटर. मतलब ब्लूटूथ से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम वायरलेस तरीके से ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं वो 8 से लेके 10 मीटर तक का ही होता है, जिसको हम पैन एरिया नेटवर्क भी कहते हैं, दैट इज़ द पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, that is the infrared technology. We have seen the Bluetooth technology. Now the next is infrared technology. As the name suggested, infrared technology, in this technology we use the infrared light. Okay, this is basically electromagnetic spectrum, and in the spectrum we use the radiation, many types of radiations. From these radiations, microwaves and the infrared waves are used for the communication. Got it, student? Now see, what is the infrared? Infrared are the light which we can't see by our naked eyes. Okay, हमारे खुली आँखों से हम ultraviolet rays and the infrared rays we can't see. अल्ट्रारेड का मतलब होता है एक्चुअली लाइट का एक स्पेक्ट्रम होता है, वो जो स्पेक्ट्रम हम देख सकते हैं उसको कहते हैं विजिबल लाइट, और उसके जो स्पेक्ट्रम हम देख सकते हैं उससे जो बड़ा जो स्पेक्ट्रम वाला जो लाइट होता है उसको कहता है अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज. ओके, एंड जो छोटे रेंज वाला जो होता है उसको कहते हैं इंफ्रारेड, मतलब जिसका जो वेवलेंथ होता है, जिसका स्पेक्ट्रम होता है वो कम होता है. सो ये दोनों भी लाइट्स हम देख नहीं सकते हैं. ओके, सो इन दिस टेक्नोलॉजी, द इंफ्रारेड वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी में हम इंफ्रारेड लाइट का यूज़ करते हैं जो कि हम खुली आंखों से नहीं देख सकते हैं, और ये जो है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम होता है. एंड हियर वी यूज़ द radiations, microwaves and the infrared waves for the communication purpose. Then move to the next, that is the Wi-Fi technology. That Wi-Fi technology, we are very much aware about this. This is very popular wireless network. Okay, it use the radio wave technology and provide high speed wireless internet and network communication. Okay, this Wi-Fi technology also use which kind of waves? It use the radio waves, like the Bluetooth. Bluetooth भी क्या यूज़ कर रहा है? रेडियो वेव्स यूज़ कर रहा है. बट इंफ्रारेड वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी क्या यूज़ कर रहा है? इंफ्रारेड लाइट्स यूज़ कर रहा है. एंड दिस वाईफाई टेक्नोलॉजी क्या कर रहा है, हमको हाई स्पीड का नेटवर्क देता है. Nowadays we use this Wi-Fi technology in our mobile, and we can share our resources also with the help of Wi-Fi technology. और resources कौन से share करते हैं, printer, scanner, internet, etc. we can share with the help of Wi-Fi technology. Okay, so students, let's see some information about the radio transmission. The radio transmission system is invented by the Italian inventor. The name is Guglielmo Marconi. Okay, it is called as the father of the distance radio transmission. Now, can you tell me where do we use the radio transmission system? Yes, we use this transmission system in the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth technology. It was before the 20th century, the Marconi sent this first long distance wireless radio transmission. Okay, so Marconi was the inventor who has invented this technology, and before the 20th century, now we are in the 21st century. So you can say that before the 100 years before this century, this system was invented by the Marconi.